Okay, so we just got this Patio Companion Premium Grill Mat, and it is 30 inches by 60 inches, and what you do, you put it, it's a non-slip mat that you put underneath your grill so it catches any kind of spills or just kind of keeps the grease and the drippings and stuff like that off of the patio, which of course you can see. We do have some splatter marks there from a previous grilling event, which was a while ago. That's probably a couple months ago, but it's still there even though I've cleaned it and scrubbed it and stuff. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to get it out and we're going to show it to you what it looks like underneath of we have the Blackstone here. This is a really nice Blackstone, and we've been using it really consistently for a couple of years now. So really loving the Blackstone too. But we're going to put the mat out and see how that looks. Okay, so we got it set down here underneath our Blackstone, and you can see one side is kind of fabricy, and the other side is kind of vinyl-y, and what that does is it keeps any spills from soaking through to make a mess on your patio. So how about that? I like that. And so we got this repositioned here, and seems like it's going to be doing a good job in keeping some of the mess off of the patio. Good deal. I like it.